Hey y'all, it's your girl J Sewtasticers. So what? I don't know, but we working it out over here today. It's so much stuff on my table. I'm gonna let y'all see. Okay? Don't nobody run out there. Look at my table. This is how I normally look when I ain't on camera. But today I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of things. I haven't really sewn anything this week because I've been so busy. As you can see, the jacket is still over here. And the reason why that's still over here because I just found some binding tape and I need to see if it's gonna match. So it's looking pretty close. It's gonna go on the inside. It's gonna go on the inside. Let me show y'all. It's gonna go on the inside of these seams. Okay, so that's what we're doing with that. Here's the color up close. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah. There it is. I just got that yesterday. What else am I doing? I'm taking some more weights and I'm gonna some more fabric weights, the small ones, and I'm gonna make some more of them, but yet I'm going to make them educational because my granddaughter loves to play with them, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put a little video up here so y'all can see her playing with them. And I thought of an idea to make them more educationable. Yeah, I said it. No, educational. I'm gonna put some little dots inside so she can practice with her colors. Okay. And I bought these. I bought this stuff from the dollar store. I'm gonna make some little molds out of these, and I'm gonna put them inside the resin, and it'll be animals, so she can learn her animals. This is another way. I brought some poker chips, and I'm gonna put some of those inside for different ones in case. What I want to do is give them to her daycare that she goes to, so she could use them, and she could use them too if she likes them. You know, other kids can use them. So I'm making those. And I also found these iridescent letters, and I'm gonna put them in there too. So that's what I'm doing with those couple of things. And what else am I working on? I did get some more molds. Okay, got those, and I got let me see what else I'm doing. I got a little puzzle that I want to put in a frame. I thought that was cute, so it's I got it at the dollar, $1.25. Okay, what else did I get? Got some elastic because I'm gonna put this dress up there that I'm working on. That's I want to add some ruching to, and then my son's girlfriend is here. Say hi to the peoples, Brittany.
Hi, everybody.
Hold on, they can't see you. Okay,
hi,
there she
everybody.
go. Okay, so Brittany here. There's my son James in the back. Come say hey, James.
Baker.
And she over there. He gonna stay back there with Winston, y'all. But anyway, she wants me to size down this shirt. That's my son James. She wants me to size down this shirt. So we already put it on her and pinned it up and everything. And I'm going to alter it for her. So I do have a lot of things on the table, and then I did go to the Goodwill too, and I found this little Paris
That's pretty.
sheet set, and this is the pillowcase. But you know, what I want to do is make them into some PJs. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little top out of this to wear. So the top will probably be going this way, so that the towers flow this way. A little top with some little strings on it and whatever, and then I'm gonna make these into the pajama pants. So this sheet should be enough fabric. It is, I don't know what size it is. It is a, let me see, do it tell? A twin XL. So I should have plenty. Look at y'all. Y'all see the supervisor acting a fool? Y'all see him? This how he be acting when he on me on the camera. See, look. He back there getting his play on with my son. So yeah, this should be enough fabric. I just got it out of the... I'm on camera, Winston. I just got it out of the dryer. And my headset just went off, so hopefully... Hold on, y'all. Okay, the power is off. So yeah, my headset just went off, so I wanted to make sure y'all was hearing me. But the dress that I'm putting up here on the screen, I cut out from my Ditto machine pattern, and I'll share a little bit of that with you guys up here somewhere while I'm talking. And so far, I just have the front and back put together, and this is what I'm going to add the ruching to. It's pretty long on me. It's supposed to be like a jersey shirt dress. Look at the picture, y'all, because I don't know what you really want to call it, a sweatshirt dress or whatever. But I'm going to put my own flair on it. I'm going to do what I want to do to it. So that could mean a lot. So it's going to look totally different than this picture that you see up here. So, yeah, I did that with my Ditto machine. I think I had some footage. Like I said, I may put it up here if I do have the footage. And what else do I want to be working on this week? The shirt, the pants. Oh, and the pillowcase was $1.99, and the sheet was $2.99, so $3. These pants, I can't remember if I think they were $4.99. So I found these jeans, and I like these jeans, and they're kind of wide leg, and they are a 13, so I know, and they are Christopher and Bank petite. So I know the length is right for me, but I like the wideness of the legs. So what I'm going to do with these is put the grommets on them. I know y'all done seen the grommets on the pants, so I plan on putting the grommets. But let me go grab a pair and show y'all the pair that I wore Saturday. Hold on. Okay. Close your eyes. Put your hands over your eyes till I say look. Okay? Alright. Everybody look. Yay! Check them out, check them out. I did some grommet pants. And I also showed y'all this in a previous video where I took the sleeves from a shirt, added it to the side, and now I've added grommets to the pants. I wore them Saturday, and I got a lot of compliments off of them. So yeah, in case you want to upcycle something, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, y'all. So with that said, I'm going to try to put some footage of me going to the Goodwill shopping for these things. A little bit of footage of my Saturday trip. It was so much going on. There's a lot going on today, y'all. I had a full work day. And then my son came over, cut the grass for me. Finally, I didn't have to do it myself. Plus, I had moved the whole house, rearranged everything in the house today. So, your girl been busy. But that is what I'm doing this week. Not a lot, but I just wanted to share it with y'all. So, when I'm finished with the dress, I will definitely do a review. Y'all know that I'll do that. And the pajamas and the shirt and the pants. Once again, my plate is full. It's always full. So, those are my plans right now. And I want to show y'all this before I go. Check these out. I want to make those too. Okay, bubble pants. They are the thing right now. So your girl gonna make us some bubble pants. I ain't gonna say when. But I'm gonna make me some bubble pants because I think they kind of cute. So what you think, supervisor? You think they cute? You think they gonna be cute? Huh? What you doing? What baby doing down there? Get baby. Get baby. You don't want to get him? You want to leave him there? Get baby. So, hey, y'all. We have made it to Union Station. Never been here before. Winston. You hear people outside, y'all. It's exciting at this part right here. Winston, did you like my pants? Say hi to my daughter. Hanging with my daughter, y'all. Yeah. You hear my son now. Getting ready. Yeah. So, you like my pants? That part right there. That part. Everybody's going to the ladies' room, and then we are going to head to the taste. Smiling. Give me five. Yeah, go from there. So give me five so we can go. We get there. Give me five. Come here. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Jay. Sewtasticers. Winston.
I don't know, but we getting on this train, getting ready to go to Chicago so we can enjoy the taste
He been a bad buddy
of shy.
today. But anyway,
And
I'm gonna let y'all go.
My daughters
And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna try to upload again this week before the week is over. I know I gotta go. No, I don't have to go to Madison tomorrow, but I gotta go to Madison on a Thursday.
Never been on the
because we have our awards
before,
event.
So this is my first time getting on the train, and so
I don't know.
I'll
We'll see y'all later.
know
Talk to y'all later. Bye. Thanks for stopping in. That is soup with oat milk. Okay. Is that called the short line slicing?